Hello friends, welcome to my channel Autoexpert Sanjay. In this video I am showing you the best way to install an aftermarket armrest which is available at 1400 or 1500, 1500 rupees. I am telling you the best way how we installed perfect fitting. See how I am installed. You are watching that armrest. Already 2 years completed. I installed this armrest. I am showing you. Friends, in this COVID time, we can put one bottle of sanitizer in your car and as well as in your automobiles and home for safety precautions. You are watching that I am installed an aftermarket armrest in my home only. See, I will put one cap for my height convenience because it is not so much of height to me, so I put one cap, and also it will helps for to shift the gears in my automatic car. See how neatly I will put one tape for that. It is for sound purpose. And also I am cutted this part for my handbrake because my handbrake is not activating properly, so I am cut this part and fitted in this armrest box. There is a two portion, one will come within that box only, so I will fitted it in with only one portion. I am not take the two portions, so it will problem like that. You are watching that I will put two screws on this armrest, and it will fitted properly and not shaking problem, and also as any other problems. Two nuts are fitted to it. Only sounds will come, that kir kar sound also coming in this armrest. See how I am fitted this armrest in Celerio, Maruthi Suzuki Celerio car. So thanks for watching this video, friends. At last of the video I will put one last video sound of this armrest. I will make a small